Well, hello everybody! Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. Yeah, another hot one today. It's cooling down now, 91 degrees, inside and out. That's because I just shut off the air conditioning and I was outside and I left the door open for a while, so temperatures equalized. I did have it down to 80 in here when it was just above 100 today. But let me get to today's video real quick because this won't be a long one. It's going to be a short one. Just some good information for you guys. Couple of things that have been noticed lately, and others have noticed it also. Let's go look outside the window here. And that's not what I'm going to bring up, but just a better video if you can see outside. Clear blue skies, no clouds anywhere, so as you saw on the gauge a little while ago, the humidity's up in the double digits, so a little uncomfortable, but not too bad. But inside the container is just too hot to do anything. So part two of how to wire lighting and that stuff, I'm going to try to get out early tomorrow morning and set up my tripod inside the container and get the video done before the temperature starts warming up again, because it's supposed to be another warm one again tomorrow. So stand by for part two of lighting and wiring light switches and lighting circuits. And sorry I couldn't get it done any sooner, but I go out there into that shipping container in the 100-degree temperatures, and it's 120, 130 degrees inside the container. It just isn't humane for me to do that. So, all right, so I got that done. Let's get to the real point of today's video. YouTube has been messing up lately with comments and that stuff. I've had people tell me a bunch of their comments were erased from their channel. Others are telling me that they're just now getting videos that they should have received a long time ago. Well, that happened to me today. I got over 100 videos, or I'm sorry, over 100 comments. All of a sudden popped up on my channel saying, hey, you got all these comments. So I started looking at them, and they were like, they started at like 2 months, 3 months ago, and went all the way back to like 4 years. I think I saw one at 6 years old. But I did get in there and reply to all of those, because I try to make a habit of replying to everybody who comments on my channel. So if you comment on my channel and you don't get an answer back within a day or so, comment again and let me know, because for some reason those things were all somewhere in cyberspace and never sent to me, and never got notifications. And same, I get comments on a regular basis now that just don't show up as an alert. They don't tell me that, hey, you got a comment to answer. I don't find them until I actually go on my YouTube studio and click on comments, and all of a sudden the number at the top where it says how many comments I have is at 0, but I pop it open and there's 5 or 6 in there that haven't been answered yet, and I haven't seen, and I haven't been notified of. So I'm going to get on the line with YouTube and see what the hell is going on with that. They got these young kids coming out of college that say, hey, I got an idea, we'll fix this, and they just screw things up. But anyway, we got to live with that, right? So anyway, another thing I've been noticing is on a lot of videos I've been watching, things are backwards. Words, signs, anything that's got lettering like that, drill motors turning backwards, everything, motors that are supposed to be turning in a certain direction, turning in the wrong direction. And I started thinking about that, saying, what the heck is going on? Am I getting dyslexic? Yeah, stuttered through that one, didn't I? And I couldn't figure it out. And then last night I was laying in bed, and just before I dozed off, I went, oh, I'll bet you that's what it is. So today I tried it, and that's what it was. And what was it? All right, so Tortuga Lisa, you want to pay attention to this, because your last video about you gold panning at the creek with Jordan, when you showed off your t-shirt, the words on the t-shirt were backwards. And I'm sure you noticed that too, and you're thinking to yourself, what's going on? Why is it doing that to me? And I figured it out. Okay. Some people who are using their smartphones for their video camera, like myself, but some people like to use the selfie side, which is what they call the front camera, the one that you're looking at when you're looking at the screen of your camera, the one that you would look at when you're taking a selfie. All right. Now they'll use that when they're shooting a video, and that one will always reverse what you're looking at. It just normally does it. If you use the back camera, which is the camera that you would normally record something that's happening, then everything will come out in the proper sequence. And why do they do that? Well, I don't know. But in settings, go to camera, go to settings. And under settings, look for, under camera settings, look for save selfies as previewed without flipping. And make sure that switch is off. And what that'll do is when you shoot a video or a picture as a selfie, instead of reversing everything, like if you take a selfie photo of yourself with a sign behind you, the words will be backwards on the sign. So you want to make sure that that is set to off. That's under camera settings, save selfies as previewed without flipping. Make sure that switch is in the off position. And then all your videos and your selfie pics will come out exactly as you want people to see them when they look at them as you post them. Otherwise, the words and that stuff, machinery, anything that's running will appear to be running backwards to the people that are watching it. So that helps the quality of your videos, and I'm sure your viewers will appreciate it, because they're all thinking the same thing I was thinking. Am I dyslexic? What's going on here? And I started looking at things around the room to see if I saw those backwards too, and see if it was me or something else. But last night, just plopped my head down in bed and went, oh, I'll bet you that's what it is. So I tried it today, and yep, that's what it is. So you know how to fix it? Get it fixed. Also, remember, at nighttime, a lot of the new smartphones now have a nighttime feature on your camera settings. So it's not only for pictures, but it's also for videos. Look in the settings, go down to things, it says nighttime, click on that before you do nighttime viewing. You'll get a crystal clear picture. I just shot a photo of Jupiter in the sky the other night, and it was so clear I could actually see people running around on the surface of Jupiter going, hey, hey, we're here. Kidding. But it does give you a nice clear picture. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me. Don't forget, thumbs up down there. Don't forget to subscribe and share and save and all that kind of stuff. And don't forget to stop by tomorrow to see part 2 of wiring lighting circuits and switches. This is G Bear signing off.